tariff stocks will make you rich, there is one electric vehicle stock that is set to benefit. Trump and Xi just met on Thursday, and today the market is looking like it's going to be at the same level Monday as it was on Sunday. So that whole fade off is not happening so far. We're still in a bull market, and China-US tensions are strong. China saying they're going to relax controls on rare earth exports, which is a big deal because 95% of rare earth materials comes from China. Trump said he's not going to put into place those 100% tariffs on China. So he also is reducing some tariffs on certain goods. The ticker is XPEV XPEV. It's a Chinese electric vehicle company, and they are set to benefit when China-US tensions are not so bad. This is not financial advice. Let's jump into the chart.
This is Sam Putnam.
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 So here's a little bit about the Trump-Xi meeting. They met in South Korea, so not in China. Part of that meeting was also about the agreement that Xi would, probably, hopefully not invade Taiwan. This is the tariff reduction. And then also this is the rare earth pause. So China also bought a bunch of soybeans from the US, about 180,000 tons. This is their ultimate plan to buy even more, but they've already placed big orders. Soybeans starting to move, if I remember correctly. What is this? ZF? Something like that. Yeah, ZS. Look at that move on soybeans. Okay. Now, I'm not here to give you ideas that aren't stocks, but soybeans. XPEV is the stock idea. It's already setting up, regardless of this meeting, pretty strongly. We're seeing some opportunity there. The earnings is not until the 18th, so that's not for a couple weeks. So there's some time there. Maybe a higher low can form here. It could just go, but more than likely, this is going to form out some type of level around maybe 22. Nice whole dollar level. Sort of going back somewhere through here. If you look at a 5-year chart, XPEV is one of the 2021 boomer and busters. And now we are coming into, on a quarterly basis, sort of a flag situation, right? Depending on how you look at it, okay? We can draw lines all day long. All that actually matters is what actually happens. So this is the futures market holding here. So this is Friday. This is today, Sunday, as of the time of this recording of this video. Looks like we're holding this gap up here. So well above the initial China-Xi, Trump-Xi, China-US, mouthful, rare earth import tariff scare here, which really bumped the market 4%. Some selling, profit taking, probably based off of this whole run anyway in September. So I don't know that this selling was all because of that meeting, but now they had another meeting and it's holding based on that meeting. So the market breadth is not big, aka if we look at a bunch of big stocks right here, we're not going to see like a ton of them doing super well. NVIDIA had an awesome global technology conference. Google, awesome earnings reaction, a little bit of profit taking. Amazon, big earnings reaction. The biggest companies in the world were doing pretty well. But if we sort of just look through all the stocks as a whole, you know, not all the earnings reactions were rosy. Roblox as an example. If we look at gold here, which we can sort of look at through some of these stocks, maybe AEM, KGC, NEM. Gold pulled back, right? So it's not like September when everything was just going straight up. You have to be picky here. And I think China is a good place to look. So not just XPEV, there are some other Chinese stocks as well, sort of setting up VNet. In the broader yin index is the China Bull Index, or FXI is, I believe, yeah, China ETF as well, which is following the market, right? And creeping back up here, holding this level. So you don't have to look at these ETFs in detail, especially how technical analysis for them may or may not hold as much as for an actual individual stock that, you know, everyone is looking at one stock, whereas the ETF is composed of a bunch of different stocks that people are maybe looking at to form those ETF flows. ETFs are also rebalanced on a daily basis, which makes them kind of gappy, or at least not accurately tracking exactly stocks on any given day. So this is, for example, the biotech ETF. Kind of gappy. I don't know. I'm not here to get too into the nitty-gritty details of ETFs versus stocks. I think if you're watching this channel, you want stocks, and XPEV is the stock. Generally, stocks do move a little faster. XPEV moving 4% a day, which is just fast enough. So there's some time before this earnings where you're not gambling into earnings. You don't have to worry about, you know, a Meta situation or a Netflix situation potentially hurting your position. And they had higher vehicle deliveries, 70% year over year this year. So, you know, all systems are go for this company. They do have some competition, of course. BYD is sort of the most valuable. NIO is the retail darling. And of course, they have competition with Tesla as well as with LI. So we could jump into deep fundamental research on the company. But in all honesty, I think this broader market narrative of China and the US being on good terms, combined with the chart and combined with getting in for a little pop before these earnings or waiting until earnings after, is the play. So I keep this short and sweet. Let me know with the like if you like these videos to be short and sweet. If you want access to a free course, hit that subscribe button. I will post that on a monthly basis as a post, a link to that course, full breakdown on how to invest in these stocks before they go up. If you want to get help and work with me, head over to stockscommunity.com or hit that join button here on YouTube. So if you're more busy, that is an option for you. I'll see you in the next one and hope this helps.
This is Sam Putnam.
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 This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.